This is the people versus Patrice Rogers, ticket number P1345605, count 1, drove while license not valid, or improper license, count 2, leave scene of accident, property damage, and count 3, no insurance misdemeanor, and ticket number U563002220, count 1, alcohol related violation. Good morning, please state your name for the record, starting with Attorney Robinson.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Ms. Patrice Rogers. Ma'am, please state your name.
Patrice Rogers.
And Judge, Ms. Rogers will be pleading guilty. That would be to the leaving the scene of an accident. All matters would be dismissed, including the U ticket.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Rogers. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Robinson today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will,
Yes, ma'am.
pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue your guilty plea?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of May 1st, 2022 at 6:51 p.m. on that date and time when you at or near Faircrest and Gratiot in the city of Detroit,
Yes, I was.
driving a 2015 Chrysler vehicle.
Yes.
And did you leave the scene of an accident with property damage?
Yes, I did.
You're satisfied, Ms. Robinson?
Yes,
Court is also satisfied. You stipulate the probable cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
yes.
Okay, they're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. Ms. Rogers, there's going to be a fine of $200. Can you have that fine paid by November 3rd?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any questions, ma'am?
I just need to know where am I making the payment?
You can pay it online. There's kiosks around the city, like in CVS or Meyer, called DIVDAT, DIVDAT. You can pay it at the kiosk. There's also a phone number where you can call and pay it over the phone. If you're ready, I can give you the phone number.
Yes, I'm ready for the phone number.
The phone number is 855-798-1547.
Okay, am I allowed to repeat it back just to clarify?
Sure.
855-798-1547.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. You're all set. Good luck. This is the people versus Raphael Roberson, ticket number P1250083, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 2, fails to display a valid operator's license on a person. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with the Attorney Robinson.
Good morning, Sarah Robinson, appearing on behalf of Mr. Raphael Roberson. Sir, please state your name.
Raphael Roberson.
And Judge, Mr. Roberson would be pleading guilty today.
All right, the officer is here. I tried to bring him out. Hopefully he comes out. Oh, here he is. Corporal Whitehead, can you say your name for the record? Corporal Whitehead, can you say your name for the record?
Yes, I'm sorry, I'm trying to get in here. Yes, Corporal Whitehead, badge 4344, traffic enforcement.
All right, thank you. Mr. Roberson, can you raise your right hand, sir? Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Robinson in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue your guilty plea?
Yes.
Going to direct your attention to the date of September 14, 2021 at 4:43 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near Finkel and Whittingham in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 1986 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
And did you fail to display a valid operator's license that was not in your person?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Ms. Robinson?
Yes,
You stipulate the probable cause as the remaining ticket to be dismissed?
yes,
And dismissed without prejudice, will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine, Mr. Roberson. Can you have that fine paid by November 3rd?
Yes.
Did you have any questions, sir?
No.
So you are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Corporal Whitehead.
And
Okay.
thank you, Corporal. I was going to check on that matter we discussed, but I kicked myself out and had to get back in. So sorry, I couldn't get back to you right away.
Okay, no
Oh,
problem.
thanks for appearing.
Okay.
Okay. And Ms. Robinson, I just housekeeping, Judge, if I may, I sent you pictures that Corporal Jones sent to me. I forward those on to you for the Christopher Richardson case. And so I'll, that way you can review him before trial if he chooses to continue to go to trial. I still would need what he wants to send today because the people are prepared to move forward with trial.
okay, thank you.
Yep, okay, you're welcome.
And Ms. Horn, Mr. Robin, although it's unusual special request, he would like to speak with you as, for reconsideration on your offer.
Mr. Robin, let me see.
Jacob Robin in room 9.
Okay, Robin. Yeah, I don't, the offer is firm. I'm good.
Okay,
Yep, I'm gonna go back in and speak to the officers. Yes, Your Honor.
Did you speak to Ms. Taylor? Can we bring her out?
I did, and so I need to speak to the officer, so I'm going to go back into the breakout room, but she and I did discuss it further, so we're just trying to see how we'll resolve it. Thank you, Judge.
All right, this is the people versus Andre Rose, ticket number P1298934, count 1. Driving wrong way on a one-way street. Count 2, drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number 491583, count 1, no operator's license in possession. Good morning, please state your name for the record, starting with Attorney Robinson.
good morning. I'm Sarah Robinson on behalf of Mr. Rose.
Sister, your
Sir.
name is Rose.
Andre Rose.
All right, there is an offer. Did the client wish to avail himself to the offer, Ms. Robinson?
Yes, Judge. Yes, excuse me, Judge. Yes, he would like to plead guilty.
Okay, raise your right hand, Mr. Rose. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Or you can put your hand down. You have an opportunity to speak to Ms. Robinson today in private about your case and your right.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
Pleading of your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue your guilty plea?
Yes, I do.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to the date of January 13, 2022 at 8:57 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Livernois and Doris in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving a 2016 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
And were you driving while your license is not valid or proper?
Yes, ma'am.
You're satisfied, Ms. Robinson?
Satisfied.
The court is also satisfied the factual basis will amend the counts that failed to display. You stipulate the proper cause as to the remaining tickets to be dismissed.
Yes, Judge.
Okay, they're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a fine of $200. Can you have that fine paid by November 3rd?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you have any questions, sir?
No.
Okay, so you're all set, Mr. Rose. Good luck to you, sir.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. I think we did Miss Rogers. Miss Rogers, you can hang up.